You pray to declare victory. And I'm praying, somebody right now, you need to be praying over your home to declare victory. Somebody needs to be praying for their children to declare victory. Somebody needs to be praying over their body for the victory. Somebody's having healing issues and you need to pray victory. Somebody's going to depression and you need to pray victory. Somebody's battling some kind of cancer and you need to pray victory. I know right now it doesn't seem like everything makes sense, but pray for victory. And you lift up your hands. Ou levez main pour déclarer victory is yours. In the name of Jesus, you are saved and victory belongs to his children. I need somebody right now. You've been fussing. But how about you stop talking and start praying? And when you pray, pray victory over your children. Young people, I know it's hard, but how about you stop? Don't worry about what friends say. How about you start praying victory over your situation? Because too many times, y'all, we have power, but we don't tap into it because we don't pray.